What's up, guys? We're out here with the A90 Supra. Basically, what I want to talk today about is drivability with the pure stage 2 transmission, and how it drives around the traffic and just normal regular driving. Since I know a lot of people ask questions about it, about how it drives. Does it drive like stock? So right now we're in traffic. This is how it feels to downshift in it, like stock. I mean, it drives like stock, it shifts like stock. There's really nothing, you can't really feel it unless, like, obviously when you start doing a pull, when you shift from like 3 to 4, 5 or 6, then you feel like the grabbing in between the shift is more like harsh. But other than that, normal driving, feels fairly stock. And as far as the billet converter, even with the billet converter, it feels pretty stock too. When you stop at a red light, you can feel like some slippage because of the converter. But other than that, like driving around, you really don't feel anything. Like it drives like stock. So I highly recommend anybody trying to upgrade their transmission to definitely look into Pure. They're definitely like the best out there, and I feel like you won't really compromise drivability and reliability with that transmission, except it's recommended that you do every 10,000 miles you do like you service that transmission, right? Because you gotta take care of it more. But other than doing like every 10,000 miles servicing the transmission, like there's really nothing else you have to do to it. So this is me going half throttle while shifting to show you how it shifts. So as you can see, I mean, you can hear it. It's definitely more grabby. It just snaps right into gear faster. Okay, pause. So yeah, guys, the car drives like stock. Honestly, you can't even feel it. You have a Billet trans unless you hit it. I do have a custom tune. I'm not running OTS. I decided to get a custom tune because I felt like, I guess with custom tune you can maximize like the advantage you have with the Billet trans compared to being stock. Now, I do feel a difference between having an OTS stage 3 versus a custom tune transmission tune. There is a huge difference in between the shift. Like before it would like snap, but not like it slides. Like it kind of like slips into gear, which is better overall because it doesn't, like, you don't lose time in between the shifts. Like the power is still there throughout the shifts. Alright, so I'll just demonstrate like a third gear pull. I can hear the shifting. So you can hear it like it dead hooks. It's pretty good. The turbo spool's pretty fast too. So I highly recommend you guys get the transmission done. The car will be more reliable and the transmission won't slip while you guys are out there racing. You can potentially damage it, break something when you're pushing too much power and your transmission can't handle it. Overall, I do highly recommend Pure Drivetrain Solutions. Their transmissions are very good. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it if you guys subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can always leave a comment and I'll answer as soon as I see it.